Hi, everyone. Alex Gross here, product manager at Occupier. And today I'm super excited to share with you some new features that we've rolled out. There's been a ton of requests around being able to export out data that has been put into the platform. And so today I'm going to show you how you can now start to export out your comp data, your proposal data, as well as your site selection data. So we'll hop right in. So as you can see on the left here, here's Deal Tracker. If we click on the down arrow, it'll expand a few different options. So first thing I'll show you is how to export out your comps. You arrive now at this master comp view, and you can see all of these comps. A new button now appears in the top right corner. It's called download. And so when you click on download, you will generate a comps export. Here's what it looks like. Here are all the comps coming out. And as you can see, that's pretty useful for being able to slice and dice. Another great feature that we've added in functionality is you can actually filter this down. So if you want to filter down your comps list to, let's just say, the New York area, I know you want to get more specific around sizes and things like that, but you can whittle it down. And when you click download, it's only going to export out what you have filtered in this view. So really useful tool. Another place that you'll be able to export out your comps will actually be within the deal. So you'll all be familiar with going into a deal, and the comps tab here, right on the bottom, has comps that are associated for this deal. So you can see now in the top right corner, there's also a download button. And what that's going to do is just download the comps that you have associated with this deal. So if you want to share this with another broker to justify your negotiations, or you want to share this with some internal team members to talk about what the market's doing specific to this deal, this is a perfect way to just kind of slice out that information. So yeah, we'll move on to the next one. So the next thing that we can do here is export out proposals. So when we click on proposals, you can see that we have our proposals for this deal. If you click on the proposal itself, there's now an option for you to download that proposal. And so as you can see, we have our back and forth happening here in terms of our negotiation. So if we click on download, and when we open up that proposal template, you'll see we have a back and forth breakdown. And so this is super useful, right, for being able to communicate with anyone you need to that's outside of the deal tracking module about how things are going and how the negotiation is going. If you need to add in extra columns, you'll be able to do that because this is all in Excel. All of these exports are going to be in Excel. And so that way you can add in information that might be pertinent to the deal you're working on or the data you're working with. And over time, we're going to be adding custom field functionality throughout the platform. It's already been happening on Broker Deals. It's happening within Lease Admin, and we're going to continue to expand that. But for now, you will have the opportunity to export this out and make it work for your current use case. And last but not least, I will show you how we can now export out site selection information as well. So here we are back in the same deal. When we click on site selection, we have all these buildings with availabilities. In the top right corner, you'll see that download button. And it's similar to all three of these other modules. When we click on download, it's going to show us a site selection export. When we open that up, here we go. It's in the same format you might present. You can copy and paste a lot of this information into a presentation or send it off to a client. You might want to add in your own image, but right now what it's going to do is it's going to show each of the sites you're considering, all the availabilities, all the pertinent information related to that building. And that way you can use this for comparisons and discussion outside of the application. So really hope this will be valuable to you. We've had a lot of requests to be able to get the information out, and we look forward to receiving any feedback you have. Thank you so much for your time in watching this, and we look forward to shipping more wonderful features for you. Thank you so much.